Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel for a new recipe. Today I am making a winter recipe, very simple to make with amazing flavors of Morocco. These white beans in a delicious spicy tomato sauce called Loubia are comforting and warming in this cold weather. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, like and share, and a big thank you to all my subscribers. Three fresh tomatoes, 1 big onion, 5 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander and parsley, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste or a quarter teaspoon of ginger powder, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of chilli paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 250 grams of white beans soaked overnight, 6 chicken drumsticks or chicken pieces of your choice. For a vegetarian option, just omit the chicken. In the blender, add the garlic cloves, add the onion cut in quarters, add the tomatoes as well, cut in quarters, and blend to get a puree consistency. In a large hot pan, add the olive oil, the puree tomato mixture, and stir well. Add the salt, the black pepper, the turmeric, the paprika, the chopped coriander and parsley, and leave 1 teaspoon on the side to garnish. The ginger paste, add the chili paste, and add the tomato puree. Then stir well to combine all the ingredients together. Add the chicken and stir for a few minutes. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes, turning the chicken time to time so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. After 5 minutes, add 1.2 liters of hot water and pour the water on the side of the pan and not directly into the chicken. Stir well the sauce, then cover and let it cook for 10 minutes. You can cook the white beans in an unsalted hot water for 10 to 15 minutes if you want to reduce the cooking time before adding them to the tomato sauce. After 10 minutes, add the washed and drained white beans and the red chilli into the sauce. For this recipe, I haven't pre-cooked the white beans. Stir the sauce and the white beans, then cover and let it cook 20 to 30 minutes or until the white beans are fully cooked. If you have pre-cooked the white beans, then reduce the cooking time to 15 to 20 minutes or until the white beans are fully cooked. If the sauce is still too watery, uncover the pot, put it on a high heat and let it cook until the sauce thickened. Et voila, our dish is ready to serve. These white beans with chicken in a spicy tomato sauce are very nourishing and so comforting that you will be asking for more. Bon appétit! If you like the video, like and share with your family and friends, and before you leave, click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. It's completely free. Hit the bell to receive notification and leave me a comment about the video or what you would like me to cook in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time with a new recipe.